What's up, viewers and subscribers? Hope all is well. Welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. Today we have a 5-bedroom, 5-bathroom house for sale in Edgewater, Portmore, St. Catherine. This is a modern construction with loads of open space with endless possibilities. This house is currently priced at Jamaican 30 million or US 193,000. This house is on 3,812 square feet of land and it comes with security system, garden area, water heater, grill, ceramic tile, washroom and carport. This house is move-in ready and just waiting on the right purchaser. Now my viewers and subscribers, let's take a look at this house. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also, for more details on the property, please visit the description area below. Until next time, this is your boy Nick. One love.